Okay, we're going to, in this instructional thing, we're going to talk about how to grade a student's portfolio once they've turned it in for submission. So we're going to go down to our first assignment where they actually turn this in, upload your portfolio goals document to Mahara ePortfolio. Okay, now the students have submitted their portfolio for you to grade, and the portfolio lives in Mahara, but there's a grade tie-in that we're using here. So you'll notice in this assignment it says one submitted assignment. If we go down the list, we can see that Fulano Mangano has turned in their portfolio. To look at their portfolio to make sure they've completed what they should have, you click on this link and then it'll open in a new window. Now what you're going to do here is that you're going to look for the assignment that you've completed. In this one, it's supposed to be the goals document. Fulano Mangano hasn't put that in. So let's hit the back button, and this is what you'd have to do for each student. So you hit the back button, and then we're going to go and give them a grade. Now there's a little bit of, not a bug per se, but something that wasn't fully covered in the grading of this. You notice that I have quick grading turned on in this assignment. So I'm going to say you have not added the document. Okay, so I'm going to give them, say, half, because they've done like half of the work, and I'm going to say save all my feedback. Notice that this is going to refresh and it gets stuck. Okay, so there's something that's actually not accurate about how the quick grading works, and so what we're going to do is we're going to have to actually click, for each student we're going to have to click on grade, and it opens up a text box, and you'll notice that what I've typed in there and the grade doesn't stick. So we're going to put, again, we're going to put you have not added the document, and we're going to give them a grade of 50. Alright, so we're going to save changes, or if you had a list of students to do, you could say save and show next, but presumably you haven't looked at each student's portfolio yet, so we're going to hit save changes. Now notice that the grade gets posted and that my comments get added, and then I've completed that assignment. And so the other thing that happens is that when a student turns in the portfolio like this, it effectively locks that portfolio so they can't make any changes until you grade it, and then you release it at that point. So if a student turns in a portfolio and that you don't submit a grade, they can't make any modifications to that portfolio until you grade it. So I just wanted to tell you about the one little gotcha where if you have quick grading turned on in the portfolio submission assignment, it doesn't like to take that grade, so you have to hit this grade over here.